highlight ko.
Finally, 1 minute and 35 seconds for our third and last quarter. Official score 86-70. Drop. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, Big Street. 3 points. Bench corner, Ramal, 6 points. Jersey number 24, pass jersey number 28. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass jersey number 10. 5. See ball. 3 seconds, shot clock. Inbound by jersey number 20. Jersey number 24. Foul. Jersey number 66. Jersey number 66. Third personal foul and penalty. First try is no good. I want to back up.
Ay! Ang kulit.
Ayaw makamadagalaan ng mga naglalaro. Diyos ko po. Jersey number 6. Good. Jersey number 7. Para the pass. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Aguinaldo shooting the ball. Long three. No good. Delivery jersey number. Delivery jersey number 66. Delivery lagi pa rin. Nakapal jersey number 6. And it was 15 seconds to play. 18 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 28. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 34. Jersey number 34 coming in up the ball. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 28. San Pedro layup, no good. Nakuha rin jersey number. Balikan sa kanya, bola, no good pa rin. Nakuha jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 28, no good pa rin for the third try. Fourth try, no good pa rin. Fifth try, no good. Ano ba yun? Congratulations,
Coach! Coach MG!
And our best player.
Best player! Andito kasi kayo eh. Dapat siyawa ko eh. Sabi ko dapat ko nasa yung mga pogi. Andun ako. Ito na yung mga pogi. Oh, shout out! Picture! Thank you!
Ayan, shout out to the art.
Shout out SK, the best ka SK. Ayun.
Yung bola po ng kanyang patient.
Basta.